thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Lindsay, for those of you new to my channel, and I'm excited. I'm doing something I've never done before. I am doing an unboxing. I partnered with Fabfitfun. They just sent me their summer box, and I'm going to do an honest review of everything in this box. I'm going to try, I'm going to apply. Now, if you haven't heard of Fabfitfun, it's a subscription box service that you get 4 times a year. Each shipment is $49.99, and the 2 things I love the most about it are, number 1, if you subscribe for the service, it's pretty much like your birthday 4 times a year because you get this box of goodies and presents. So that's the number 1 reason I love it. And number 2, even though this box is $49.99, the value of everything inside is at least $200 or more. All right, let's just get into the goodness of this box. I'm so excited to show you. All right, open her up. This has been opened. Just kidding. I used this Generation Clay mask today because I love to prep my skin before any event, or especially when I'm doing YouTube videos for you guys. And what I especially loved about this mask is that I felt it working right when I put it on. I kind of felt a little bit of a tingle, and I love that because I feel like the goods in this product are really getting in there and like doing what they're supposed to do. And I also think the pretty little violet lilac color is, you know, really festive and very springtime actually. So loved this mask, used it today. And you know what I also love about this box? Everything in it has full size products from fashion, beauty, tech, lifestyle, like all kinds of things. All right, mask, good. Now what is this? Now you guys, some of these things I did peek at and try, but some of them I'm really going to experience with you, like right now. For instance, this Jennifer Zuner jewelry. Okay, that's cool, a mask and jewelry, I'm already loving it. Let's see what this baby is. I'm very particular about my jewelry, and I promise I haven't seen this till now. Oh, I mean, who doesn't love, this is a good one actually. I'm just ripping it open here. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a little tiny star. Oh, is it layered? Hold please. It's a 2-strand gold necklace with 2 little dainty stars. And when I see this, I love this. I can easily wear this because I'll just layer it with the things I already have. You guys know me, I'm always layering my necklaces, and this will go perfect with what I already have. Great, love this. All right, now what else do we got here? Okay, so Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. I love a good styling cream. I think everyone needs one because all of us have whatever flyaways, a little bit of frizz, and it's just a nice way to tame your hair. And I actually use this, oh my God. I used this today, clearly. Oh man, is there anything on me? Okay, good. Sorry guys, this is real life here. We're really trying these. I used this today, and I love that it's lightweight. You know when you use, what are they called? Styling creams. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm talking about. You know when you use styling creams and they're heavy, like you put them on your hair and then you're like, ugh, you feel weighed down or greasy? Well, this one is so light that after I put it in, it just kind of did the trick for smoothing, but like it didn't feel like it weighted my hair down. My hair felt like my hair after I put the styling cream in my hair. So, you know what I'm saying? I mean, that's what we want, right? But then it like did its magic. So already love this. This is gonna be my new favorite. I actually needed one of these. You know what I'm realizing about this box now that I'm going through it? It allows you to discover new products that you wouldn't have normally maybe purchased or thought to try, because with social media and just the stores, everything's over merchandised and you're like, I don't know what to pick, I don't know what to buy, I don't know what works. And this is great. It's kind of, this box kind of acts like it's your friend and it's suggesting great products for you. It may be an interesting metaphor, but that's truly what this is. Okay, Lindsay, all right, let's move on. Let's move on to, oh my God, there's so many things I don't know what I wanna do. Okay, let's do a little interactive thing, experience, I don't know. whatever, you guys. I don't know where my wording is. Okay, so another thing you can do with this box is you can customize it and pick out certain things that you would like in it. So you get a few surprises and a few things that you pick out yourself. So I actually picked out this marble blow dryer. It's a travel size, which is great for me because I hate lugging my clunky hair dryer when I'm traveling. Do you guys agree? I mean, I hate it. Oh, and hotel blow dryers are the worst. They pretty much do this when they dry your hair, you know? And then my hair is just a frizzy mess. So I picked this guy out and oh, we're gonna try this right now because it needs to be super hot and it needs to be like really blow dry the hair. Okay, let's see. I'm really making a mess. This is so fun. I've seriously never done an unboxing before. Maybe, no, I haven't. Aesthetically, this is beautiful. I mean, it's white marble. It'll look great for all your flat lays or Instagram photos, or you know those really candid blow drying your hair photos that you post on Instagram. No, I'm just kidding. But you know, we all love aesthetics. Oh, yes. Oh, this is really working, guys. Okay, sorry, we had a little technical difficulty, but it's working great. Great. Oh, all right, it passed the Lindsay test. This next item is really gonna show you the variety of this box. Oh, and don't forget, you guys, if you enter Fashion 10 at checkout, you will get $10 off your first box. So your first box is pretty much, yeah, it's gonna be $39.99. So, I mean, that's like a killer deal. Okay, so this next product is gonna show you the true variety of each box, which I think is important. It just makes it exciting. These are a set of 3 indigo tie-dye bowls from West Elm, which West Elm is a fancy home decor shop. I know, because I walk in there and I'm like, why is everything so expensive? But I love everything. Okay, let's see these little guys. Oh, presentation is everything. So cute, but we're gonna, wow, these are beautiful. They look like hand done. All right, so these are really nice as, oh, I love these. Look at these, so pretty. Now I would use these for entertaining, nuts, little snacks or whatnot, or it can be a little catch-all for your jewelry. And you know what, since I know West Elm is an expensive store, I'm gonna Google and see if these are still on their website, just to prove the value or debunk the value of the Fabfitfun box. Indigo. Okay, so I'm Googling West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls. Let's see what we come up with. Oh, they come right up. Oh, you guys are not gonna believe it. These are on the West Elm site for $31. So basically, they're free with the box, because if you think about the box being $49.99, and then if you add the discount, this is pretty, it's a good deal. You guys get it. And you also, you know what's also cool is they kind of nest inside and they kind of look cute. You could put them so they're seen. So, all right, love those. Okay, so I'm a huge fan of facial sprays. So when anybody sends me one, I'm super stoked because I have one in my car, in my bathroom, in my gym bag, just about everywhere. This is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray, and I'm gonna give it a little spritz right now. I particularly use these as a refresh for my makeup because my face gets really dry during the day. So that's mostly how I use them. For you no makeup wearing gals or guys out there, it's good too. Let's try her on right now. I love a nice rose spritz. Okay. Oh, very chic, minimalistic packaging. And okay, let's give her a shot. Ooh. Very nice. I don't mean to be dramatic about that. It's nice. It smells rosy and it's light, and I don't feel like it's left a film on my skin. It just kind of feels like it just absorbed into my skin and didn't mess anything up. So this is always a great little refresher. So that's a good one. Oh, and it says good choice inside, and I agree. All right, now where are we going off to? What do we got next? An exfoliating foot mask. I need this because it's kind of embarrassing to share, but I have very scratchy feet. Okay, I said it. I kind of do, guys. I don't know. My husband is like, babe, I'm not even gonna tell you what he sometimes calls my feet pterodactyl feet. Isn't that rude? So he's gonna be really happy about this Wish Powerfully Effective Natural Coconut Milk Exfoliating Mask. Operative statement, powerfully effective, because I really need that. So I'm not gonna do the whole foot mask right now, but I'm gonna give it a little sniff. And it seriously smells like a tropical vacation, which is what we wish all feet smelled like. So I'm already loving this product. All right, babe, this is for you, okay? This is for my husband, he's gonna be happy. All right, moving on, let's do a little something new. Okay, so these are Invisibobby Traceless Hair Rings. Okay, I've never used these before, so let's give her a shot. Okay, so for me, when I look at these, I right away think, oh, my hair's gonna get tangled in this. But, you know, these things say that they're like the best new thing, so let's try it out. All right, it's feeling good. It's not feeling tangly, and feeling secure. Actually, you know what's great about this is that I don't feel like it's pulling any of my hairs. You know when you put a hair tie in and you're like, ah, it like pulls little hairs? I think because of the little coil, it kind of moves with the hair to hold it. I don't know, but yeah. No, this is great, I love it. Easy, and kind of just like a new way to tie up your hair. I mean, everyone has the regular elastics, and then it looks like a little cute little kind of like 80s bracelet. I feel like I used to wear these when I was a kid, but love these, and it comes in a little nude and clear. All right, last but not least, oh, I need to fix myself. Hold please. This is so fun, you guys. I hope you love this. This box is truly a fun experience. It like gives you something to do. And again, like I feel like it's my birthday, like all these fun things to discover. So if you're feeling interested, again, don't forget to use Fashion 10 at checkout. I'll also include all the information in the description below so you guys know how to get this box at a discount, or boxes. Okay, the next product is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Okay, so right away, I'm very familiar with healing balms, and I love them because when you have a dry spot, they're always great to use. And this one, apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, nails. Yeah, so I love that. Even for dry cuticles, it's kind of like the every balm. So I always kind of love to have this in the medicine cabinet, you know, because things happen. Dryness happens, dry cuticles happen. It's also great to have in your handbag. Ooh, this texture is really nice, actually. I put way too much on, hold on. Yeah, the texture is really nice. I'm just kind of putting it on my cuticles right now because my cuticles are always dry, but I really like this. It feels really moisturizing and not super greasy. Oh, it's natural. It doesn't smell like anything, which I think is a good thing sometimes, you know, because you got perfume on, you don't want to like compete with the fragrances. Oh, you guys, that was so fun. I hope it was as fun for you as it was for me. And if you love the box, which I really highly recommend, it's just like a fun experience, make sure you enter Fashion 10 at checkout for $10 off your first box. I wanna thank Fabfitfun for partnering with me on this video. It was just a blast. And thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Mwah.